Some people don't just like nature. They feel pulled toward it, almost summoned. While others crave noise, conversation, and constant movement, these people feel most alive standing under trees, watching water move, or listening to wind pass through leaves. It's not a hobby for them, it's a relief. After a long day, they don't want stimulation, they want space. Not silence born from loneliness, but the kind of silence that feels intelligent, as if it understands them. Society often misunderstands this. It calls them withdrawn, too quiet, too slow for a world that celebrates urgency. But what if their love for nature isn't escapism at all? What if it's the nervous system finally exhaling? Some people relax the moment they see green, their shoulders drop, their breathing slows, their mind stops bracing for the next demand. The modern world is relentless. Screens flash, sounds compete, everything asks for attention. Nature doesn't. Trees don't expect productivity. Water doesn't care how useful you've been. The sky doesn't need you to explain yourself. For people drawn to nature, this matters deeply. Their nervous systems are sensitive to overstimulation. Not weak, just finely tuned. Where others feel energized by chaos, they feel depleted. Nature slows the mind without effort. Thoughts still appear, but they no longer collide. This is why they say, "I can finally think out here." What they really mean is, "I can finally stop defending myself from noise." People assume those who seek nature are avoiding life, responsibility, people. But many of them aren't escaping, they're recovering. They notice things others overlook, subtle shifts in tone, unspoken tension, emotional weight in a room. That awareness makes social spaces louder than they seem, so nature becomes regulation, not retreat. Out there, nothing needs managing, no moods to read, no roles to perform. They feel more themselves because they no longer have to brace. Nature also holds attention without pressure, no alerts, no urgency disguised as importance. A moving cloud, water rippling, leaves in the wind. The mind rests without being hijacked. Clarity returns quietly. Stillness sharpens them, it doesn't dull them. Then there's the smallness nature offers, the kind that heals. Standing before something vast, the need to perform fades. The question, "Am I enough?" softens. Nature reminds them they are part of something older than their worries. Perspective widens. The weight loosens. They feel deeply, too, often more deeply than they can explain. Nature gives emotions a place to exist without words. Grief can move. Joy can settle. Nothing needs translation. Solitude there doesn't feel lonely. It feels honest. People who love nature aren't chasing scenery, they're seeking balance. They're not rejecting the world, they're restoring themselves. In nature, they don't have to impress, they don't have to perform, they don't have to be understood. They simply are. And maybe that's the truth beneath it all. They aren't escaping life, they're remembering who they were before the noise taught them to forget.